Hey y'all, it's your girl Christy here with another video, and we are going to do a soft lock install. This is my model, and the inches we are using are 24 inches. The color is 1B, and for the wrapping hair we are using 16 inches of 1B. And the product I'm going to use throughout this video is just Shine and Jam, the orange bottle. Nothing special. Now, I'm not a braider at all, so at the beginning my parts may look a little funny, but just trust the process. As they say, trust the process, and this will come out very nice. My client here, she does have a taper cut at the back of her head. She's always had that, so that's why I'm not going super low, and you see that fuzzy little shortcut on the back of her head. So I'm going to tell you guys, or show you guys, I should say, how I'm going to install the lock into her hair. I saw this method on YouTube about a week or so ago, and I'm like, oh, that's smart. So before I did it on my model, I did try it on my own hair, and the locks are super flat. There's no bumps or anything like that. I'm going to tag her or comment her name down in the description box because I cannot remember what her name is as of right now. I apologize, but her method was so smart. So I am putting Shining Jam in her head, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start braiding her real hair down first. We have to braid her real hair down first, and then I am going to open up the lock and put the lock in one of the three pieces. So I'm going to slide the lock in on one of the three pieces, and then after I do that, I'm going to kind of twist it up to close the lock up, and then just braid the hair down, and the soft lock will be one of the three pieces. So here I am braiding her hair down, and then I'm going to go ahead and get the soft lock. I'm going to open up the hole a little bit more, and then I'm going to insert the soft lock into one of her three pieces. I normally do it on the right piece, the piece on the right, and then the soft lock becomes one of the three pieces now, and then continue to braid her hair all the way down. And then after that, I would crochet the wrapping hair at the root. I will make one side extremely longer than the other, and then with the long side of the wrapping hair, I will go ahead and just twist it around. I'm so sorry I do not have any footage of me wrapping. My camera died. I have a new camera, like I stated, and you know, it dies fast, but I figured out the issue after the fact. I was shooting in 4K, and 4K, like my camera would die in like less than an hour. I have 3 different batteries, and it was just horrible. Battery is an issue too, but shooting in 4K does take a lot of your battery and your memory. So I did switch to 1080, and you'll see in another video that I'm going to upload probably more of the install. But soft locks, they do take, well, as of right now, it does take me a minute to do it. I was trying to film, get good angles, and then my client, she is pregnant, so she did get up in the bathroom a couple times. I did shampoo and blow dry her hair out before I doing this install, so everything was done by me. Here go another clip of me inserting the soft lock. I put Shining Jam in her head to make her hair very smooth and make sure the hair stays together. And then I'm braiding down her real hair first, just a little bit, maybe like 2-3 times around. And then I get a soft lock, I open it, I put the soft lock in between one of the 3 pieces. I normally go to the piece on the right, and then I will go ahead and make that soft lock one of her 3 pieces and continue to braid her hair down. This method is, like I said, is bomb. The girl who made the video is bomb. This will secure your lock, and then it will make your install flat. It did took me a minute to get started, But once I got going, I got going. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this video. And then I'm going to come back and probably when I'm like midway through or more than halfway through. And I'm going to show you this method again. And I'm going to show you how far I became. All right, bye. Hey y'all, here go another clip, a more close-up of me installing the soft lock in her head. I am braiding her hair down. I normally braid it like maybe 3 or 4 times down. And then I grab the soft lock like I'm doing now. I'm opening it. And then I'm installing the soft lock into one of her pieces. I normally go to the piece on the right. And then the soft lock becomes one of the 3 pieces to continue to braid her hair down. I'm sorry y'all don't have a more better view of it, but if you guys comment below, I can do a more in-depth tutorial because I am doing my stepdaughter hair soon. She currently have knotless braids in her head, and I know picture day will be coming up very soon since school started, and I'm going to go ahead and install soft locks in her head so I can go ahead and give you guys a more in-depth close-up on how I install it. This is very easy. Maybe I'm late to the party and everybody know how to do this method. I don't know, but we here now. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this video. And like I said, please don't mind the parts, y'all. This is my first time doing like 3-part soft locks, and it does get better. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward it, and I will come back. I'll come back. Hey y'all, here go another video. I'm more at the top of her head, and I'm about to install the soft lock in. Oh, I did already. So I just went ahead and braided her hair down. I installed the soft lock, and then you saw me twist it to close it up a little bit, and then her soft lock become the 3rd piece in her head, and then you just go ahead and braid her hair down. This is what her hair is looking like at the top of her head, or mid-top, I guess you could say. It's looking very nice. It's looking very clean and precise. Just want to come on here and show you guys that. It's coming along very well. So I'm going to come back with the finishing touch. Hey y'all, I'm back with the finishing touch, and I loved how these came out. These are everything. They're clean, they're nice, they're precise. The parting is very clean and neat. These came out very, very well. I am going to add these to my booking site. Follow me on Instagram at Slade_by Slay, and you'll find all the information. I got this hair from Amazon. You can get one bag of hair for like 35 to 40 bucks altogether, including shipping. And in that bag come with like 6 to 7 packs of soft locks. You're not even going to use all of them. You're going to use maybe like no more than 3. So you know how you go to the beauty supply store and you get like one pack for like $10.99. You can get 6 of those, maybe 7 for like for less than half the price. So I recommend going to Amazon for pretty much anything at this point. But yes, these came out so nice. I am so proud of myself. Yes, ma'am. These took me about 4 hours with the wash and blow dry included. They're going to be taking videos for the gram and for TikTok. But yes, I will add these to my booking site, and they're going to be with the hair also. So yeah, these came out nice, y'all. I think I'm going to go ahead and offer soft locks for good. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe for more. The next video you guys will see is tape-ins. Tape-in extensions. Yeah, make sure you guys follow me everywhere. I put all my info in the description box. I even put the link on where I got the hair from in the description box as well. Yeah, these came out nice. So, thank you. Talk to you guys soon.